Good everyone, I've made this short video for you to show you how to negate a Reremahi Poro or turn an affirmative Reremahi Poro into a negative one. We're going to start with the sentence Kei te moe te pepe, the baby is sleeping. This first part of this video shows you the sentence structure, starting with the tohua or the pūmahi, kei te, the action or the mahi, moe, and the kaimahi or who is doing the action, and in this case it's te pepe. So here we have our sentence, kei te moe te pepe. In order to negate this sentence, we're going to need a negation word, and for reremahi, the negation word is kaore. So let's pop it in there. The next part of the sentence is the kaimahi, which is the pepe, comes forward in the sentence to sit just after the negation word. Kaore te pepe. The next part of the negative sentence is the negative tohua, and for kei te, the negative tohua is ite. So far we've got kaore te pepe, ite, and now we need the last part of the sentence, which is the action word, and in this case the action word is moe. So there we have it. The affirmative sentence, kei te moe te pepe, becomes negative in the form kaore te pepe I te moe. So we've got the negation word kaore, we've got the kaimahi te pepe, we've got the negative tohua ite, and we've got the action word, the tūmahi moe. So now the sentence structure is like this. Kaore te pepe I te moe. The baby is not sleeping. Kia ora everyone.